Are you looking for reliable and efficient dumpster rentals in Calallen, Texas? Welcome to Corpus Dumpster Rentals LLC, your go-to solution for waste management needs. Whether tackling a significant construction project, renovating your home, or just doing spring cleaning, we've got you covered. Our wide range of dumpster sizes ensures that we have the perfect fit for your project, big or small. Our friendly team is ready to help you choose a suitable dumpster. We take pride in disposing of waste responsibly and efficiently. From residential cleanouts to commercial construction debris, we handle it all. And with our flexible rental periods, you can keep the dumpster as long as you need it without any hassle. Our customers trust us for our prompt service, competitive pricing, and commitment to sustainability. Corpus Dumpster Rentals LLC is making dumpster rentals uncomplicated and affordable. Call us today at 361-371-0779 or visit our website at www.corpusdumpsters.com. Dumpster Rental Calallen TX, and let us take care of the mess.